right in the middle of Sedona with epic red rock views right from the balcony. We're sharing with you the Matterhorn Inn. Perfectly located just steps from shops, restaurants, and adventure. If you're visiting Sedona, this might just be the perfect stay for you. Welcome to our life. After a 2-hour drive from Phoenix, we are now in Sedona, checking in at the Matterhorn Inn. Let's take a look at the room, see what we got. Room number 210.
Dad, look how small the room is.
Look how small the room is.
Compared to what we got,
How's the carpet feel?
We haven't
it looks like it's gonna be rough.
Dad, let's go check it out.
Oh, hold on, sweetie. Nice. That's it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Matterhorn. No vacancy.
Mommy,
You look happy.
come check it out.
Oh, the weather is beautiful too.
So they had a crib available. Very nice.
And a cool bed for Mommy and Daddy.
Push down. Bingo, bango. What do we got? King over here?
Daddy,
Okay.
come check out my bed.
Let's see your bed.
Hold your pillow, please, ma'am. Here comes Ava's bed.
Whoa.
I have
Here
a big
comes her bed.
Whoa!
Is that big enough for you?
I've never seen
I've never
A twin size?
something big.
a twin size fold out.
I never saw
You
something
might just have to
big.
pull this off and put it on the floor.
Yeah.
Because this
That's-
is very safe.
No.
Right?
Big like this.
What do you think?
You'll definitely roll off. How's the bathroom? Solid vanity.
Mom, there's no.
Lisa's
Mom,
got
Oh, that's-
nice lighting.
Wait,
Yeah, look
tell
at-
you a secret. Mommy, let me tell you something in your ear.
Ava, do you want to show us the kitchen after the bathroom? Ooh.
Whoa.
Hey.
With one of these
shower.
Rolling
Sliding door.
sliding doors.
Ooh, with a full-length mirror.
Is it? Let me see. Wow.
Hey.
Ah, Mommy. Lock me.
Does it lock? All right, hold on.
That's better that way.
All right.
Mom, let me show you the kitchen.
Wow, what a cool shower.
Oh, we could get a breeze in here.
Mom, let me show you how we open it.
Impressed by a window opening.
Let's leave it open, please. I like fresh air.
Mommy, let me show you the kitchen.
Oliver, don't go in the shower.
Hold on, wait for Daddy.
All right, Ollie, let's go in the living room. All right, Ava, do you want to show me the kitchen now?
The kitchen, right here.
What's in it?
You see this? This is a fridge.
Oh, it's a little baby fridge.
Uh-huh.
What else?
And I don't know what this.
Oh, that's a safe. Watch your fingers. That's a safe so you could lock up your wallet and stuff.
And this is the oven.
The microwave?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
And up here is the regular stuff.
Like what? That looks like a coffee maker.
Yeah, it is a coffee maker.
Okay. And the ice bucket.
Yeah.
Wipes.
Mom, no one will find me here.
USB
Ava,
A
don't break
outlets.
stuff.
Any more outlets? Yeah. Oh, USB-C. Nice.
Oh, it's bed mark.
USB-C outlet.
I'm laying in the bed looking at the rocks.
You look like you need a spicy margarita.
Where's the
Yes.
wheel?
Dinner time. We're going to La Vecina, Mexican restaurant right next door to the Matterhorn Inn across the street. Parking's in the back. The entrance should be in the front here. Beautiful view of the Red Rocks. So, hope it's good. Let's check it out. room got a little messy.
Belly flop.
There was a fold-out chair that was in the corner. We were able to finagle it and get it right over into the corner there so that she could be next to the bed.
Not fall off. Because the mattress
Oh yeah, that's
didn't
why.
fall
I forgot
off.
why we did that.
Yeah, the mattress didn't come off of it.
And now I think we're gonna go outside and check out what's out there. We'll go hit the pool and see how that is. There's a hot tub too, and I believe there's a fireplace out there. I doubt it's lit right now, but
It
maybe
was last night.
maybe at nighttime we'll go back out when it's lit up, hopefully. But for now, we'll go outside and see what's around the hotel area at least. So marketplace in the lobby had bare minimum drinks, snacks.
You could purchase, nothing
Yeah.
free.
So yeah,
The coffee, right? Was that
I
free?
think the coffee was free. I would assume. A few souvenirs like jewelry, coffee cups, just little stuff. Nothing major. And the hotel is pet friendly. You were worried about that. You thought our room was gonna smell like dog. So it's pet friendly. That's an extra charge, I think you said.
Yeah.
Right. And then outside
Pet playground.
outside of the hotel, off to the end of it is a pet playground. Just a little area, I guess, for them. If you have a dog or something, run around and poop in there, I guess. Nothing major, but if you have a pet, I'm sure that's a nice feature to have. I don't know why, but I really like this little courtyard area. Like, they didn't have a lot of room to work with, but they did something nice with it, and I actually really like it. Me and Ava played cornhole earlier. There's a ton of chairs out here to sit and just relax. Perfect. And then a little eating area, nice big table out there, a grill outside that anybody can use. It's a small grill, but that's all you need.
Mom, there's a hot tub too.
Little pool, 3 feet to 9 feet deep, so that's pretty far. Holly might do some swimming. So Tab's been dying to go in a hot tub for a while. She hasn't been in one since before she was pregnant with Oliver, so this has got to be hitting pretty nice right now. It's a pretty good size hot tub. Could fit a lot of people. Nice sized pool. Ava's like, yeah, I think we're all gonna go in there. I'm watching. Okay, mermaid. And then over to this side, there's a little fire pit. So hopefully that'll be going on later on tonight. We come out here with the kids and do some relaxing. So I think that's it for the Matterhorn Inn. I hope we covered everything. Good hotel to go to for Sedona. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more content. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.